Hello guys, I'm Meet Sony. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have three very interesting opportunities, and honestly, this is one of those videos where every type of candidates gets something valuable. First opportunity is from GlobalLogic, which is a part of Hitachi Group, and it is a work from home opportunity. The second opportunity is a flexible remote data analyst position where you can work part-time from anywhere in India. And third opportunity is a software development engineer role offering up to 8.6 LPA, that too completely remote. So whether you're targeting software development, backend engineering, Python, data analytics, or remote jobs, make sure you watch this video completely because three openings are genuinely worth applying for. And as always, all application links are in the description box. The first opening is for the role of Python backend developer. This opening is being offered by GlobalLogic, which is a part of Hitachi Group. Now, many freshers may not realize how strong this brand name actually is. Hitachi is one of the world's largest technology and engineering organization, and GlobalLogic works with global clients across healthcare, finance, manufacturing, media, semiconductor, and many other industries. This role is completely remote, and let's talk about what you will actually be doing in this role. As a Python backend developer, you will be working on backend software systems that power large scale digital products. Your responsibilities include developing and maintaining backend applications using Python and Java, building REST APIs, integrating multiple services through microservices architecture, and working on payment processing and subscription management system. You will also participate in code reviews, testing, debugging, software documentation, and technical discussion. Now, when many students hear backend development, they immediately think it's only about coding, but in reality, backend engineering is about building reliable systems that can handle thousands or millions of requests efficiently. Now, coming to the skills requirement, the major skills mentioned include Python, Java, microservices, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, Redis, Git, and software testing concepts. Even if you don't know every technology listed here, don't get discouraged. If you are comfortable with main tech stack and if you have built projects on it, you are good to go. For freshers, getting a remote opportunity with a global company group is definitely something worth considering. So if you are interested in backend development or you are good in Python, make sure to check out this opportunity. Now let's move on to the second one. This is for the role of data analyst at Peroptyx, and this opening is quite different from traditional data analyst jobs because this is a remote and flexible role and you can work from anywhere. The company mainly works on improving digital navigation and mapping systems used worldwide. Your responsibilities will be reviewing map data, validating routes, verifying location information, checking business details, and helping improve overall map accuracy. Now, some people hear data analyst and immediately assume advanced coding is required. That's not the case here. This role is focused more on analysis, research, observation skills, and attention to detail. You will be reviewing information, validating data accuracy, and ensuring mapping systems provide correct information to users. The skills requirement include analytical thinking, research skills, English communication, mapping application, and basic geography knowledge. One thing I really like about this opportunity is the flexibility. The company requires minimum of only 10 hours per week to 20 hours per week, so even students can manage this. Fresh graduates looking for remote experience can also benefit from this opportunity. There are few eligibility requirements. You must have lived in India continuously for at least 5 years. You must pass an online assessment and you should also have access to personal laptop or computer. If you are someone interested in analytics, operations, or data related careers but don't yet have any strong technical skills, this can be a great stepping stone. Now let's move on to the third and final opportunity. This one is for the role of software development engineer at Wikasta Business and Technical Solutions. And personally, I think this is one of the strongest opportunity in today's video because it's remote and software development engineer role with salary range approximately of 4.8 to 8.6 LPA. For freshers, this is definitely attractive. The company is looking for candidates with strong software engineering fundamentals. Let's talk about responsibilities. You will be designing, developing, and maintaining software modules. You will write production quality code. You will collaborate with engineering teams to understand requirements and build solutions. Also, you will be performing debugging, testing, code reviews, and contributing to engineering best practices. In simple words, this is a proper software development role where you will gain real engineering exposure rather than repetitive support work. Now, coming to the skills, the company has mentioned data structures, algorithms, object oriented programming, Python, Java, C, Go, NoSQL databases, Linux, Git, system design, and problem solving. Now, before some of you panic after hearing this long skill set list, companies often mention ideal skill set. They don't expect freshers to be expert in every technology. The most important thing are strong programming fundamentals, DSA, and willingness to learn. The good thing is, this role offers mentorship, real project ownership. These are exactly the kind of environments where freshers grow rapidly. A lot of candidates focus only on salary, but your first job should also be evaluated based on learning opportunities. If a company allows you to work on real systems, write production code, learn cloud technologies, and collaborate with experienced engineers, that experience compounds over time. So, yeah, guys, these were the three opportunities. If you are interested in backend engineering and Python development, go for the first one. And if you are looking for a flexible remote opportunity in analytics or research, then go for the second one. And if your goal is to become a software engineer, then definitely go for the third one. As always, don't apply blindly. Read the job descriptions carefully, compare the requirements with your current skill, update your resume, and then apply. Even if you don't meet every single requirement, don't reject yourself before the company does that. Many students lose opportunities simply because they assume they are not qualified enough. So make sure to check out the link in the description box. Apply as soon as possible because the fresher opportunity can receive hundreds of or thousands of applications within a very short period of time. And if you found this helpful, make sure to share it with your friends because one application can genuinely change someone's career. Also, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. And if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.